continuation of last class. Already exercise 1 in exercise 1.2 Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3 is finished. Go to Roman 4. Explain the two numbers. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 into plus 5. This is two numbers. Two numbers are composed numbers. What is meaning of composed numbers? You take any number, 3 or more factors is called, that number is composed number. See, here is, you take 4 example. Therefore, see, you take this number. Therefore, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. For example, this is one number, this is one number. Add. Okay, what is this is 13 and 13 is common. For example, 13 is common. See, what is the remaining in 13? Therefore, 7 into 11 plus 1. Plus 1. See, how many numbers is there? Therefore, 13, 7, 11. 13 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number. 11 is prime number. Okay, how do you take any number? For example, 13 into, what is this? 7 11s, 77 plus 1. That is equal to 13 into 78. 13 into 78. See, for example, this is prime number, 78 is even number. How many numbers? The minimum even number is above 3 factors. Like the total number is composed number. The total number is composed numbers. See, 5 is homework for you. I think, I expect you will do. I think you do. Go to, see, already we forget the third, Roman third. You forget the Roman third. See, check whether the 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. For any natural number. See, check whether 6 power n, 6 power n. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Like you take the replace of n is equal to, like this 6 power n. N replace of, you take any natural number. You give the any natural number, the numbers end with like this is one number, end with this is 0. And the end with end. That is called unit digit place. Is 0? Yes or no? Check, just check. Okay, right. See, 6 power n. Oh, you take only natural number. Therefore, 6 power n is equal to 6. 6 power 2 is equal to 36. 6 power 3 is equal to 36. 3. 108. Sorry. See, therefore, 216. 216. See, you take 1, 6. 6 square. 6 cubed, 6 power 4 already you take any, the unit digit place is 6. The 6 power you take any natural number, the number ending with 6. Okay, right? This is 6 power anything. 6 power anything is equal to the number, the unit digit place is always 6. Always 6. Is 6 power anything, 6 power any natural number, the number ending with always 6. Okay, at the same time 6 power anything is the last digit is not coming the 0, the unit place is the last unit digit place is not coming the 0, not possible. Why? Like this process, right? See, at the same time Roman 6 in the 1.2 Roman 6, what is the last digit of 6 power 1? Like this, above third problem, above third problem. Third problem is same. What is the last digit of 6 power and 6 power 1 is, we are discussed. 6 power anything is 6 power 1 is equal to 6. 6 power 2 is equal to 36. 6 power 3 is equal to 216. What is the last digit? 6. You take 6 power anything, 6 power any natural number. The number ending with always 6. Therefore, 6 power 100 is equal to, is a big number. The last digit is always 6. Always 6. Go to See, rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Rational number and their decimal expansion. See, let us take following the rational numbers. For example, express in the form of p by q. P by q. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the 1, 2, 3, 4? The numbers are decimal form. Express in the form of p by q. Okay? The numbers convert into rational form. Just like this, you take any number. For example, number 1. What is the number 1? 0.375. What is the condition? P by q form. P by q form. What is the P by q form? Therefore, 375 divided by 0 after how many digits? 3 digits. Therefore, 1 after 3 digits. 1000. Already well known to you. This is very silly compared to the standard of 5th class or 6th class. Already well known to you. Go to second form, second sum. 1.04. 1.04. Therefore, 1.04. Point after how many zeros? Point after 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Only 2 digit number. This is 100. Therefore, 104 by 100. This is even number. The simplify. What is even number? 52 divided by 50. Also, numerator and denominator also even number. Therefore, 26 by 25. This is the simplest form of 104 by 100. The simplest form of 104 by 100 is 26 by 100. Also, this is also, therefore, the last digit 10. The last digit is 5. The number, simplify is possible. Therefore, 5 sevens are 5 fives are 5 200s is equal to, also the unit digit place is 5 is 0. 5 ones, 5 fives. What is 5 540s? 540. Also 5 threes to 5 eights. This is the simplest form of 375 by 1000 is equal to 3 by 8. 3 by 8. See, you take 12 by 5 is and third sum and fourth sum are homework. This is very silly to you. I think you will do. See, 4. Already we have discussed this number, composite numbers, yes. Therefore, see, go to the easy way. How to find the composite number? Therefore, 7 into 11 into 30. How many prime numbers? 3 prime numbers. The multiplication of these, therefore, some big number. Okay, write the big number. How many? This is prime, this is prime, this is prime. Compared to this number, what is the factors of, I think, 3 or more. 3 or more. That is like, see, this composite number. Why? Because the multiplication of prime numbers, 3 prime numbers. That is called, I think, 3 factors. Or like 3 more factors. This number is prime number. And at the same time, for example, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here how many prime numbers? 7, 5, 3, 2, 4 numbers. 4 numbers is the prime numbers. That is factor. How many factors is there? 4 or more. 4 or more. Also, this is the composite number. This is composite number. This is composite number. Okay. What is the condition of composite number? You take any number. You take any number. 3 or more factors is called composite number. 3 or more. 3 or more. For example, 14. For example, what is 14? The factors of 14 is equal to 1, 2, 7, 14. 7, 14. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 3 or more. 3 or more. The 14 is composite number. 14 is composite number. Before class, do this. Write the following terminating decimals in the form of p by q not equal to 0, and p and q are co-primes. So what is meaning of co-primes? Co-prime means, for example, 8, 5. For example, what is the factors of 5? Like 1, 5. 1, 5. Therefore, what is the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. What is the common factor? Only 1. Then that 4 and 5 and 8 is co-parents. 5 and 8 is co-parents. Only common factor except common factor 1, that numbers are co-parents. Therefore 5 and 8 co-parents. Okay, go to sum. Therefore 15.265. Therefore, for example, 15.265. This is like to go to, first of all, the decimal form convert into rational form. For example, 15,265 divided by, after how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Therefore 30 number. See, that is here is therefore 15,265 divided by 1000. This is P by Q form. P by Q form. Now you simplify. You can possible to you do the simplify also. Why? Because the above number unit space is 5, below the denominator unit space 0. Okay, you can possible to simplify. You can possible to simplify here according to divisibility rule. According to divisibility rule. For example, see 5 3s. At the same time 5 3s. 5 5s 25. See, sorry, 5 3s, 5 5s 25, 5 3s divided by 5 200. Yes or no? This is an. Go to second sum. What is the second sum? Therefore 0.1255. 0.1255, that is equal to denominator. What is the denominator position? 0 point after how many is 1 2 3 4 4 0 number. That is called, this is. See, also this is 5 2s 10, 5 2s 10, at the same time 5 5s 5 1s divided by 5 200s. 10,000 means 5 200, 5 2000. The numerator portion is odd number, denominator portion is even number, not simplify. You can simplify, that goes to the reverse. The rational number, go to the rational number, simplify, go to the decimal number, that is remaining like 0.4. What is the meaning of 0.4? 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Okay, this is this number. This is Q by V form. Therefore, rational form, decimal form to 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 rational form. The remaining 2 is homework. Therefore 4 and 5 are homework. See, go to the theorem 1.3. What is meaning of theorem 1.3? How to directly set to this number is directly. For example, you take this directly, this number is terminating or non-terminating according to this theorem. According to this is directly you set how according to this theorem. See, first of all, you discuss the theorem. After, let x be the rational number. What is meaning of x? X is a rational number. X is a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Then x can be expressed in the form of P by Q, expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes. Already we are discussed in the above. And the prime factorization of Q, or prime factorization Q, of the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, where n and m are non-negative. What is meaning of non-negative? Positive. What is not non-negative integers means? Positive integers. For example, you say, see, here is the numerator portion is not important, denominator portion is very very important. The denominator portion is 2 power n into 5 power n. The denomination, the form of like this, the total fraction is terminating, otherwise non-terminating. For example, see, denominator portion is 2 power n over. Also denominator portion is 5 power m over. The denominator portion, is 2 power n into 5 power n. 2 power n into 5 power m. 2 power n into 5 power m. Like this, also like this. Whatever may be, the 3 to 1 by anything by 2 power n, anything by 5 power m, or anything by 2 power n into 5 power n. The fractions are terminating. The fractions are terminating, otherwise non-terminating. What is meaning of terminating? Terminating means the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. That is the rational numbers is called terminating. Otherwise not terminating. You take any example. See, this is 25 by 2. 25 by 2. What is the denominator portion? Therefore, 25 by 2 means 2 power 1. Like this. This is like this. Like this. The number is terminating. What is meaning of terminating? Remainder 0. For example, see, go to the long division method. 2 25s, 2 12s, 24, 1.0, 2 5s, 10. Okay. What is here is the remainder 0. Remainder is 0. The 25 by 2 means 12.5. What is meaning of 25 by 2? 25, half of the 25, that is called 12.4. 12.5. Okay, go to the second sum. Therefore, 26 by 25. Here is only observe the denominator portion. What is the denominator portion? 26 by the 25 in terms of 5 square. The 25 in terms of 5 square. What is this? This like this. 5 power m. 5 power n. The number, the rational number goes to the terminating. For example, see 25, 26. Compared to 25, 26 is okay, even possible. Okay, 25 once, 25. What is 1.0? At the same time, add the 0, 0. 25 fours, 100. This is. What is the 25 by, sorry, 26 by 25 is equal to 1.04. 1.04. Sir, like the 1.04, this is right or wrong? Okay, right. The 1.04 means 104 divided by point after how many? 2 digits. That is called 100. What is, therefore, 52 divided by 50, the cancellation. 250 is 250, at the same time 226 divided by 225. What is this? This. See, 3. What is 3? 3 by 8. 3 by 8. This is the 3 by 8. The 3 by 8. 8 means 2 cubed. 8 means 2 cubed. What is this? This is a form of, therefore, divided by 2 power n. Yes or no? 2 power n. That is equal to, for example, see 8, 3. Compared to 8, 3 is small. You take 0.0. 8 3 24, 6. Point all is 20. 8 7s are 56. Yes or no? 4.1 is 0. 8 5s 40. 0. What is 3 by 8? 3 by 8 means 0.378. Rational form to decimal form. Rational form to decimal. At the same time, this is a 10 cycle. Like 20 by 2, 25 by 2, 26 by 25, 3 by 8. These are all terminating number. Terminating number. How to direct you set the terminating numbers? How to guess? The denominator portion is denominator portion. This is denominator portion. The denominator portion is 2 power n or 5 power m or the combination of therefore 2 power n into 2 power 5 power m. What may be? Like this portion, like this portion, whatever may be. Okay. Like the denominator portion is like this, or like this, or like this. See, the fractions are terminating. This is like this. The form of the denominator form of q. What is meaning of q? This is p by q. What is q? The q portion is 2 power n into 5 power m. Total fraction, the total rational number is terminating. The total number is terminating. Go to theorem 1.4. 1.4 like this, 1.3 also maybe. Therefore, let x p by q. P by q means rational number. Be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q. The prime factorization of q. What is meaning of prime factorization of q? Like this, this is like this. This is called the prime factorization of q. Q means denominator. Denominator position is the prime factorization of q. In the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, where m and r are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. In 1.3 means the m and r are co-primes. Co-primes. Here then x has a decimal expansion with terminates. See, this is for example, go to the do this. What is the do this? See, this is do this. Here, like for example, you go to the 1.3. Go to the 1.3. What is in the form of the denominator portion? Co-primes. Co-primes. What is meaning of co-primes? For example, you take any 8. You take 8 like this. 7 by 8. 7 by 8. What is meaning of 8? Therefore, 80. What is meaning 80? Therefore, 8 into 10. That is equal to 7 by 2 power 3 into what is 10? 2 into 5. That is equal to 7 by 2 power 8 and 8 to 16. Sir, okay. 2 power 4 into 5. 2 power 4 into 5. By C. 2 and 3 co-primes. No, sorry. Co-primes also. Why? Because 2 into what is the factors of 2? 1 comma 2. What is the factors of 5? 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. What is the common factor? 1. 1 only. Except 1 here. Sorry. Here 1 only. The common factor only 1. That the total the two numbers are called co-primes. Therefore, here is co-primes. Here 1.4 theorem 1.4. What is the question of n and m? What is the non-negative integers? Non-negative integer means positive integer. The denominator question is always positive. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates like this. Therefore, do this. The example of 1.4 is do this. Therefore, write the following rational numbers in the form of p by q, where q in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Okay, and then write the numbers in the decimal form. Okay, write the numbers in decimal form like this. 3 by 4. Like what is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 means 4 in terms of 2 square. Or write the numbers there, decimal form. Okay, right. Therefore, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 3. Therefore, compared to 3, 4 is bigger. You take 0.0. What is 4 7s are 28. At the same time, 2. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. The remainder 0. Therefore, 3 by 4 is called 0.75. The rational form into decimal form. Here is decimal form, the fraction, rational form to decimal form. Like 7.15. 7.15 means, therefore 7 by 15 means 3 into 5. 15 means 3 into 5. This is not terminating. Why? Because 3 is entered. In the denominator position compared to only 2 and 5. Base 2 and 5 is called the total number, the fraction is terminating. Otherwise not terminating. Therefore, the denominator portion is 3 into 5. 3 is entered. The fraction is not terminating. For example, see 57.0. 5 4s, 15 4s, 60. 1 0. Yes. 0. 15 6 96 again 4.0 15 2s 30 10 already it is there. Therefore 0. Therefore see 0.462 like I think bar. 7 by 15 means 7 by 15 means nearly 0.462. Next 462 4062 4062 4062. The 4 digits are repeating. Like this. 51 by 64. The rational form to decimal form. Therefore, what is 51? 51 divided by 64 means 2 power 6, maybe 2 power 6. So, okay, right. 64, 2 power 6. 2 power 6. What is in the denominator portion? 2 power n. 2 power n means the total fraction goes to the terminating. What is meaning of terminating? The remainder 0. So, here is 64. therefore 51.0. What, how many? 9, 8, 64 8s, maybe I think 512, 512. Okay, 64 7s. 64 7s, 448. 448. What is 448? Say 60, 52. 62. Maybe 62. 2. Here is 9. 62. 62. Point is means 0. Therefore 64, like 64 sevens next. What is 64? See, 64 sevens, 6 to 0. At the same time 64 9s and the 576. 570, what is remaining? 44. Point 0. Point 0, sorry 0. What is 64 6? 64 6, maybe 64 6. 64 6 are. Therefore 64 6 are 384. 384 means 6. Therefore 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 6. 5. 56. 56.0. Maybe 64 8s. Already 64 8s means 512. 64 8s, 512. Therefore 8 5. 58. 58.0. At the same time 64 7s are. 64 7s are 756. 756. What is 4? Like 4. 64 like 4. Yes, 4 like this. At the same time 0, like enough, like therefore 51 by 64 is equal to 0.79687. Maybe 40 64 5s, like this 64 5s. Okay, maybe this is 5 also is something. This is like the remaining 14 by 25, 18 by 100. That is your part homework. Like, to stop there. Tomorrow.